Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are watching, I appreciate you as usual. Guys, I keep it simple. I try not to sell. I try just to give information what I have. And if you receive the information, if it's something that you like, then definitely leave a like, leave a comment. And please, guys, please subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to grow this community that we could share information back and forth to help us grow as one. The world needs some unity at this moment, and let's do it together. Now, I'm trading in the market this morning, and I tell you guys that when I see a deal or when I see any kind of movement, I try to let my subscribers know. If you're subscribed, you will get notified. Now, we're looking right now at Li Auto Inc. It's a company from Beijing, China, under the radar. Not much hype, not much noise coming from these guys, but these guys are trading at a high volume. For anyone that's familiar with Li Auto Inc., guys, if you're in this stock right now, I suggest you guys wait it out a little bit to see how far it could take you. Now, as we see this morning, the stock opens up just around $27 per share before it drops a little bit down at $26.40. Now, because I was doing day trading this morning, I did a huge swing with Xpeng from yesterday 31 to today 48. So if I see these deals in the market, I try to take advantage of when it is going on. At the same time, I'm trying to build more shares in these companies. So when I do these swings back and forth, it's not that I'm leaving the stock or selling or exiting. Is I'm selling high and I'm buying low, or I'm keeping it really simple. Now, I did pick up these guys this morning for $27 per share. And I did sell just around $32.15. Now I'm planning to go back in, right? Hopefully, I'm hoping it will break $30 and go around 29, because I know they have their earning report that's supposed to come out the 13th, which is Beijing time, 9 p.m. And it's going to be Eastern time, our time, at 8 a.m. So I know if I wait until tomorrow morning at 8 a.m., this stock will fly off the shelf. Now, I'm not telling you guys to go out and invest and buy this stock. I'm just giving you what I'm going to do. And if you guys are riding the same boat, then definitely you guys could copy the same move, because so far for this year, I've been pretty much steady with my picks. I'm saying that these guys, if you compare, and I want to keep it very simple, right? I'm not going to bring out a lot of graphs and show you ceilings, resistance, all that stuff. No, right? If you need to take a look at the balance sheet, you can definitely try to get some information to look at their income statement, their revenue and stuff like that. But what I'm looking at right now with this company right now, the stock, as you could see, has been trading the same kind of pattern that we see for Xpeng and for NIO. Very similar movement, right? And these Chinese companies are getting even up with the US companies. They're fighting for space in this sector, and especially with Beijing, with the type of okay, I don't want to sound wrong here, but the type of pollution that they're battling to encourage these manufacturers to make more clean vehicle, meaning clean energy. That's a big concern for Beijing. Now, as some of you know, I've been to China multiple times. So I've been to Beijing, I've been to Shanghai, I've been to Shenyang, I've been to Dalian, I've been to Bengxi, I've been to a lot of different areas, Guangzhou, and there's so many different parts I've been to. The main concern what people have, especially in Beijing, because it's so congested with a lot of cars, right? It's clean air and it's air pollution. That's the main struggle. So that's why you're seeing all these manufacturers right now. They're fighting for a market space to establish themselves. And think about it logically. If you're trying to get a market space for 2+ billion people, then where is the best market to have like a successful EV company? Definitely China, right? If you want to sell as many vehicles as possible, think about it. Companies like Tesla and any German company, whether it's BMW, Mercedes, or any European company, Porsche, all those companies, they all want a piece of the Chinese market, right? So definitely there's a huge potential for sale. And that's why these companies in China right now, they're producing great product. They're trying to compete with the West. Now, if we take a look, and I don't want to go too much off topic, but I just want to have a picture created to let you know that the similar move as NIO, I've told people in the beginning when NIO was less than $2, not many people follow, right? Especially friends and family. And this is one of the reasons why I created this channel, because it's hard for me to re-explain to everyone that asks a question. So instead, I created the video, and that was the purpose: create the videos, explain what I'm doing, and if someone have a question, take a look and see if they can get something from it. Of course, you have to do your own research as well. Nothing comes easy in life. But if you look at the main picture here, I just want to go back to this. If we look at the main pictures here, the green line that you're looking at right now is definitely for NIO. Okay, so you can see for this year, since May, and if we go back, let's take it back. Like obviously the XPeng and Li Auto, these guys are new to the market IPO, so history won't really show much. But if we go back here with NIO, if we look at the beginning of the year, NIO was trading very, very low, right? For most of you guys that's familiar with them, back in December 2019, they were as low as like $2 per share. As the time go on, months goes by, in January, they starts to rise, and the coronavirus came by and they go back down, and then they start to pick up steam. Now, if we go back here and look in the last 6 months now, I would say 3 months, bring it down to 3 months so everyone could have an idea. If we're doing from August 2020 to November 12th today, we can see the comparison between NIO. Okay, NIO is the green line that we're looking at on the graph here. Right, the steady rise of the NIO stock right now, you can see it's 242% since August 23rd. Now, if we look at XPeng, it's code XPEV, right, which is the red guy right here. You can see same kind of pattern until last week. It shuts up, have a little bit of resistance right here, then it shuts up again. You can see 200% plus as well. So NIO is the fortunate one with 240% since August. XPeng, you can see at 210% and above. And of course, you look at this guy here that's flying on the radar. Li Auto is on track to make the same kind of progress at 163% since August. Now, guys, the earning report is coming out tomorrow, which is November 13th. The report will be at 8 a.m. Eastern time, 9 p.m. I guess that's Beijing time. That is tonight. So tonight, 9 p.m. Beijing, they will do the report. And for us, in the time difference is actually 8 a.m. Now, my prediction is I'm going in hard and I'm staying put until tomorrow, because I suspect that these guys will have a great debut tomorrow. The market will be on fire. They're trading right now just over $1 per share. At one point, they're up a little bit. You can see here at 31.70. Now, for anyone that's looking at an EV stock to add to the market, we can see a lot of resistance right now with Nikola, with Tesla, with Workhorse. We can see some movement right now from Solo. I think Solo went up today like 30% as well. So, but the big guys that you're looking at, the Tesla and the Nikola and the Workhorse and Lordstone Auto, and the US companies are having a slow time in market gain right now, but the Chinese companies are actually catching steam. So I just want to bring that to you guys' attention. If you're looking at some gains, you can see the pattern here from August 2020 until November, where we are right now. We can see NIO gave us 240%. You can see XPeng gave us at least 210 plus percent. And we can see Li Auto is already at 163%. Now, I guarantee you tomorrow we'll see a spike once their earning comes out. Guys, let's keep a track of what we're saying here. If we're looking here, some notes I make here. Li Auto, let's see where the numbers is. So for 2020, so far they have delivered 21,851 vehicles from January 2020 to October 2020. All right, so that's a prediction you're looking at. So the first quarter for 2020, they delivered 2,896 electric vehicles. The second quarter, they delivered 6,604. And for the third quarter, they delivered 8,666 electric vehicle. And I'm telling you guys, for the fourth quarter, definitely that number probably will be very similar to Q2 or Q3. So we will see some huge price movement in the stock. So guys, if you're watching this video right now, I want to keep it short and simple. The market is about to close. So thank you guys for supporting this channel. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to get notification like this. And I'm letting you guys know right now, if you want to make a big gain on your portfolio, definitely make a trade on this stock and see where it takes you tomorrow. Until next time, guys, peace out.